Hello and welcome to Little Antique Me. My name is Elizabeth and I'm here with another unboxing. If you watched the last one, great. If not, I will leave the link below, but this is from CHC Vintage. They contacted me on Instagram about their amazing boxes that they will send you once a month or just one time or what have you. The last video will explain it even more, but today I'm going to show you the new goodies that they have sent me. Every box comes with an adorable card, and today's has donuts on it, and I'm not gonna lie, donuts are the one things I'm kind of missing right now, so these look delicious. Each card has a description of each item and how they might suggest to wear it or pair it or style it, and I love that. Gives me lots of things to do. And so this one says, welcome to April. We have a beautiful collection of pieces. These pieces range from 1940s to 1960s and are great for the spring. So let's get started in unboxing. Okay, so also in my card it mentioned that in my survey had mentioned green, and so they started with green and built my collection around that. So Nicole read into my little survey. And so to start, I don't know why I'm getting rid of my card, I need it right here. We're going to open the first box. It's so cute. I always love their little stickers. Tape. The struggle. I'm not doing scissors this time. The first thing we have are these adorable little earrings, and they're clip-ons, which is awesome because I kind of enjoy a little clip-on occasionally. They are small and springy and would go perfectly with this print scarf. Ooh, hold on. Let's find the scarf, which I think is in here. It's cute. I know, you gotta hold on. I can't open all the stuff fast enough. It would go well with this scarf. This is so cute. See them together. I love it. So, the cute little tag. Oh, and it tells you where you can find them, all the different places. This little scarf could easily transition over your face as a mask. That's cute. Actually, I'm wearing green today of all colors. I think you can see it. Can you see it into there today? And it's adorable. Cute little scarf. Could maybe be on my head too. Maybe looped around with a little knot in the side. That'd be pretty cute. But for now, we're going to put it down here as long as it doesn't mess with my microphone. Cute. Actually, I'm gonna put it out. That is adorable. Super pretty. And I'll try and get a close-up of that too. Okay, also in that bag, which the scarf was wrapped around, is this adorable little pearl purse with a little clasp on the top. And, oops, dropped my tag. A little opening inside, a little pocket. This is beautiful. It says, as a mom, which I am, you don't often find occasions for a bag like this, but it will work for a change purse or wallet inside your everyday bag. You could also use it to hold pins or any other small household items. I have a dress, actually, that this would match perfectly that I will probably carry it with when I do have a special occasion, but I do like the idea of it being put in my bigger bag, making me feel extra in my big mom bag. Let's see what else we got. We love this bow brooch. This would be super cute in your hair or anywhere else you want a bow. And here it is. Look how cute that is. It's so cute. It'd be really cute on my little sweater. Or like they said, in my hair. Oh, so many options. I can't wait to style these things. Oh yeah, I could go on a hat. My daughter is signaling me from the side. It would be really cute on a little hat. Great idea. And then lastly is this cute little owl that fits in great with the other pieces. Wear them all at once or one at a time. You guys, this owl was tangled up with the rest of my things, but I couldn't get over how cute it was and was trying to contain myself. Hold on, it's still tangled. Poor little owl. Here we go. I love owls. I think they are fantastic. My daughter loves owls. We've been reading Harry Potter recently, and so owls are a big thing in our household. Look how darling that owl is. His little face is so cute. I will definitely be styling this with a bunch of my outfits. I'm so excited. So this is my second box. I have one more coming next month, which I can't wait. I love that I can pick and choose how many pieces I want and kind of give them ideas of what I like. Nicole has been so amazing at picking things that fit me perfectly. I have worn the things from the last box, I have no clue how many times, like multiple times. The earrings, the scarf, all of it I have worn multiple times, especially the pearl necklace. I obviously love pearls. And so yeah, thanks again Nicole and the whole team at the CHC Vintage for sending me yet another box. This has been such a fun thing because, I don't know, it's kind of fun to have a little bright spot in your day and to get to open things. It's like Christmas every day or your birthday every month or whatever. Well, that is my unboxing for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed every single little piece, and again, I will leave all of the links below for you to check out CHC Vintage. I am off to go build a Lego house. We're working on a 2-story Lego house, which I might even put a picture on here. And I'm praying for each and every one of you. May you stay safe and healthy, and may God bless you and keep you this week, and I will see you next time. Bye!